So here are today's steps for subtracting numbers with tenths. Very, very similar to yesterday. So it should be nice and easy for you. The difference today is our numbers have tenths but no hundredths. So we are counting up to find the difference today. So we are going to draw our number line with our two gaps first, just like we did yesterday. So we start with the subtrahend on the left, which is 1.7, and then the minuend is on the right, 8.5. You can put the next whole number on there as well, so as you can see, 2 has been drawn on the number line. You are all ready then to jump to the next whole number. So you're jumping from 1.7 to 2, which is a difference of 0.3. This should be really quick and simple because you can use your number ones to 10 to help you. So how do we get from 7 to 10? It's 3. That's our jump. Once you've done that, you can then jump to the next whole number. So you're jumping now from 2 to 8.5. So all you need to work out there is the difference between 2 and 8.5. I know 2 add 6 is 8, and then I just need to add the tenths on there, which is 5 tenths. So my jump is 6.5. So I have jump 1, which is 0.3, and jump 2, which is 6.5. If I add these two jumps together, I will know the difference between 1.7 and 8.5, which is the answer to my equation. So I'm doing this again with my place value grid. You can just see my mouse going around there. We've got hundreds, tens, ones on the left-hand side of the place value grid, and then our decimal place, tenths and hundredths on the right. And then I'm just dragging my two jumps so that they fit into the place value grid. Really important to make sure that your ones and your tenths are in the right place. So 0.3 is in there, and now 6.5 is in there, ready for me to add together. So I'm going to start on the right-hand side of my place value grid. I'm looking at the tenths column. 3 add 5, really simple maths, 8. Then need to remember that I'm talking decimals here. I'm going to put my decimal place in there, otherwise I'm going to end up recording the wrong answer. And then I'm looking at the ones. 0 and 6 is 6. There's my answer, 6.8. So I've added my two jumps together. I found the difference between my minuend and my subtrahend. So 8.5 take away 1.7 is 6.8.